Okay, we are at the Texas Barbecue Festival, and it is sunny, and aka 6 people have gone to the hospital because of the wind and all the sand blowing around. But obviously you can see all the crap back there. I don't know, right? Why is there like a stage set up? Why is there a stage set up?
Hey, there's an ATM, dude.
You're an ATM. That would scare the crap out of me if I wrote it. Have you ever tried? Weird.
Yeah.
No. Can you show your hat? Well, guys, that's pretty much my day of everything here in Vidor, Texas. And I do want to say thank you, everybody, for watching my video. Sorry, I just came off. But don't forget to hit that like button, dislike button, or that even that subscribe button.